Hello YouTube, I have a 2019 Ram truck here and I want to program the built-in garage door opener buttons. So first thing you have to do is put it on run, R-U-N. If it's not on run, none of it works. Next thing, I'm going to clear any codes that were in here previously. Hold the two outside buttons in until the light flashes fast. Next, take your existing garage door opener that's already programmed and push the button in simultaneously with the button that you want to program until the light flashes fast. Next, wait for the flashing to stop and then do the next one. Push the two buttons simultaneously until the light flashes fast. Now, test your buttons. Button number 1, button number 2, works great. And these are Learn garage door openers, but I did not use the Learn buttons at all.